we are looking at how to pronounce these three words that may look similar, sound a little similar as well, but have very different meanings. So make sure to stay tuned so you get them absolutely wrong. The top word on the left, A-N-G-R-Y, means when you're feeling strong annoyance, displeasure, or hostility. You're full of anger. You are angry. Angry. So note that there's no H here. Angry. If you add an H at the beginning, you obtain the top word on the right there. Hangry. Hangry. Same sound. Ang, but with an H. Hangry, meaning bad-tempered or irritable as a result of hunger. Now the bottom word is when you want food, you're feeling that you need food, you are hungry. Hungry. So angry, hangry, or hungry. And now you know. Did you get those? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and subscribe if you want to learn more English with me. Hit the like button if you found it useful as well. Thank you. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting but often confusing English vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.